ボタンインコは見た？
Botaninko is a small African parrot species called Lilian's lovebird. Miru means to see, and mita, so. Mita, did you see? The sign is written in hiragana and katakana only, so small children can read. Botaninko wa mita? Have you seen the Lilian's lovebirds?
ボタンインコは見た？蜂注意、危ないので注意してください。
In Japanese, hachi can both mean bee and wasp. Also, hachimitsu is the word for honey. Chui, warning, caution. Hachichui, caution bees. Abunai means dangerous. Abunai no de, because it's dangerous. Chui suru, to be careful. Chui shite makes it a request, be careful. And attaching kudasai makes the request more polite, similar to please. Chui shite kudasai, please be careful. Caution bees, it's dangerous, so please be careful.
蜂注意、危ないので注意してください。手すりで遊ばないでください。
Tesuri is handrail. Tesuri de, with the handrail. Asobu means to play. Asobanai makes it negative, to not play. And asobanai de makes it a request, do not play. Kudasai makes the request more polite. Asobanai de kudasai, please don't play. This entire sign is written in hiragana only because mostly children are the ones playing with the handrails. Please don't play with the handrails.
手すりで遊ばないでください。